Make egg fried rice. Egg fried rice is a great way to use up leftover rice and vegetables. If you don't have one or two of the seasonings, just omit them. This one-dish meal also makes an excellent side dish for many different types of food. Sure to please even the pickiest eaters, here's how to make egg fried rice. Ingredients and supplies: 3 cups cooked white rice, 4 eggs, 1 onion, 1/2 cup cooked peas, 1/4 cup cooked carrots, chopped 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala seasonings, 2 tablespoons oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, optional, chopped coriander leaves. For garnish, medium pan with lid. Prepare the ingredients for cooking. Beat the eggs well, and finely chop the onion and chili. Begin cooking. Heat the oil in your skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the onion until it becomes golden brown. Then add the ginger garlic paste and the green chilies, and cook for a minute or two. Next, add the turmeric powder and red chili powder, again simmering for a few minutes before continuing. Add the eggs and vegetables. Add the beaten eggs, and stir constantly until they set. Do not leave them undercooked, they should be fully scrambled before you move on with the recipe. This should take about 5 minutes. Now add the vegetables, stir them into the eggs, and keep cooking for a few more minutes. Season. Add salt and garam masala to taste. If you want spicier rice, add more garam masala. For a milder taste, you can even leave it out, or simply reduce the amount used. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce, if you'd like. Add rice. Once the seasonings, eggs, and vegetables have been combined, add the rice. This rice should be pre-cooked and it should be cold when mixed into the eggs. Mix well with the seasonings, making sure that any lumps are crumbled. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Stir often to ensure that the rice does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Enjoy. When done cooking, garnish with coriander leaves. Serve your egg fried rice very hot. This dish can be used as a main dish or as a side dish. If you're making it as a main dish, consider adding chicken or shrimp for a one-dish meal. Egg fried rice is a delicious dish that's sure to please your family and guests. You can change the type or amounts of seasonings to suit your tastes. For example, many people add minced garlic or ginger slices to the dish. This is a quick and easy meal, and it is very cheap to prepare.